Hi, I'm going to make the Beijing beef today. I have 8 ounces of beef and I have 2 ounces of onion, 3 ounces of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic sauce. And for the beef, I'm going to put 1 egg white in it. One tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, it looks good. I'm going to deep fry it a little bit for a few minutes for the 350. And do not touch it. Wait until a second. Okay, I'm going to salt it a little bit. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to remove it now. Okay, I'm going to put it in a paper towel. I'm going to turn on the heat on the side. Okay. And for the sauce, I using half cup water, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Okay, let me get a spoon. Okay, then I mix. Okay, I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Then I'm going to put the onion in it first. Okay, then I'm going to put some garlic in it. Some red pepper. And I'm going to put some salt in it. And I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of just water. Okay, then I'm gonna put the beef in it. Okay, this is all done. Okay, that is the Beijing beef.